where the last spike was driven, completing the Canadian Pacific Railroad from ocean to ocean, November 17th. Oh, I'm sorry, November 7th, 1885.
1885, the last spike was driven in the Canadian Pacific Railroad, Transcontinental Railroad. And here is a caboose from that railroad era. And here is a station. Well, it's kind of fixed up. And then, well, over here, you have the last spike gift shop. Pretty cool stuff. Yes, we're pretty close to the highway. Hopefully it'll calm down a little bit because we're staying at this rest area tonight. Driving of the last spike, Canadian Pacific Railway. There you go. A lot of happy folks. Lord, they look happy, don't they? I don't see a smile in the picture, but they should be happy. And you should be happy too. Have a great day or not. The choice is yours.